video. Sir Robin, I'm here. I'll share your video also. You guys for Mom M3, okay? Don't forget to connect on her channel. You know, I want to drink medicine. Yatay. Sama na medicine naman. Thank you. You're welcome, Mom M3. I'm here now. I will check. On. This new one. Buhar Sana connected long time ago from Sir Ruben. Sir Ruben, thank you so much, Sir Ruben. I will share your video also, Sir Ruben. Awesome, around the world, please help us to pray. My fathers, I am trying to do short now. Yeah, like this, Mom M3 Minds. If you don't have a video, then you want short, take from your long video. Yeah, check your long video and see Hub Remix there. Click the remix. Yeah, click the remix. Yeah, then after click the remix, you coming in your video and you scroll which you want to put in short. Then yeah, you scroll like this. I want to show here but not clear the camera. And after you put title of that video and next then upload and your long video, or you want to take from your live stream. Yeah, example also Patuma, you listen from me, okay? If you want make short video from your long video, you can, no need to edit, you take from your long video. Yeah, you are Mom MT you know, you if you make more short video, they have more people to watching your video because you are super chatter. Yeah, the people saan sakit na gapyong manjud. Ay, my god. Saan I see him injection, guys. You know, I'm not finished the work, guys, but I will yeah, like this. I don't know if showing like this, okay? Come in your YouTube like this. I want to show, okay? But not, I don't know, in other side. Hey, where's my microphone? Yeah, like this, guys. I want to short video from my long. Yeah, example, this my long video. I will find the video, okay? Which video? Scroll. Yeah. Example, this video I want to short. Example, this video I want to short. Okay. I click my video. Yeah, just wait for a while. Then you click have remix 1, 2, 3. Near the share, have remix here. Yeah, click the remix and have edit to short. Click that edit to short like this. Okay, edit to short. Yeah, then after